Hello friends, welcome to Silan Software. Now we will see a Java program for interview, that is Java program to find the frequency of each character in a given string. So now for this problem statement we will write a Java program. So what is my problem statement? One string is given. One string is given. Suppose I will represent a string value. Let string str equals to let code with Trilochan. Suppose in this way I am presenting a string value. So guys, I am using Eclipse environment. Now first I presented a string value. That string is code with Trilochan. So now, what is our problem statement? To find the frequency of each character. That means the character C. Frequency means we will count the number of occurrences. The character C present in how many times? Here one time and here one time. Two times. That means C 2. So in this way, the character C is present how many times, the character O is present how many times. So each character number of occurrences that we have to find. Okay. So now in which way that we will resolve this issue. Guys, this point I will develop the program taking the concept of collection. You know, HashMap or map. Map is a collection which contains a pair, and in a pair, one is key and one is value. So, why I am considering map for this problem statement? Because one key, suppose each character I will consider as key, their frequency I will consider as value. So, in this way, we have to do the analysis. So, first of all, I will import a package, import java.utility.star package. Star means all classes and interfaces. Because I am going to use collection. So, first of all, I will create a hash map object. We know hash map is an implementation class of map interface, new class name HashMap. Okay, so it is generic, so angle bracket that we have to give. So new class name, it is returning an object. So which type of object? So map type of object. Okay, so little bit analysis we will do. So definitely within angle bracket, which type of value that we are going to represent, character value and their frequency. The character C two times present. So 2 is integer. Character O two times. 2 integer. Character D one time. 1 integer. So which type of value that I will require? So that type you specify. So character, comma, integer. Okay, so let my object name is suppose M. So in this way, first I created a map object. So how I got map object? New class name. That class is HashMap. It is an implementation class of map interface. So it is returning map object. Then I will write the business logic. So what will be my business logic? Very simple. So one for each loop I am taking. One for each loop I am taking char ch colon char ch colon str dot to char array. It is a built-in method. I will explain why I am taking this. So one for each loop I am writing. So what is the purpose of to char array? To char array is a built-in method. So what it is representing? It is representing what? It is converting string to character array. So str dot to char array. So our str value is code with Trilochan. So that string value or string will convert into character array. Because what we have to do? So we have to traverse each character. It allows us to access each character one by one. So it is a for each loop. So the value of this will come to this. Let's see, h is a character type of variable. Then body will execute. Okay. So each character C O D E W in this way. Each character. Okay. One by one, each character will come to CH. Okay. Now body will execute. So what I will write the body. So map object m dot put method. So there is a built-in method put method. So for I will explain what is the purpose of put method and when I am specifying put method. So you see it is taking two arguments. So within two arguments, what I am specifying ch first, then comma, then I will write or I will specify second argument aim dot. So there is a method get or default. There is a method get or default. Then ch comma 0 ch comma 0 then plus 1. So what is this? So one for each loop I specified, I wrote this is my business logic. So what is this? So what is the purpose of put method and put method taking two argument, one is ch and one is m dot get or default method. Get or default method is invoking by m. M is the map object. So it is coming from map interface or it is coming from HashMap. You can call by the HashMap object or you can call by the map object. So when the value of this str.toChar array, our string converted into character array, okay, then each character so came to ch. Now I will update the frequency in HashMap. Initially, when I created a map object, initially map is empty. Now, now the map is empty. So when the business logic will execute, when the body will execute, put method updating HashMap, inserting what ch is a character type of variable. It will contain a character. So what m is the map object dot get or default method. Get or default method is a built-in method which is coming from map interface. That's why it is invoking by map object m. So what is the purpose? Get or default method. So within bracket, so it is taking two arguments. So we have specified ch comma 0. So ch comma 0 meaning is what? If character exists, then it will return what? Current count. If not exist, then it will return 0. Then we will add 1 to the count. Okay, for example, suppose first time C exists, so it will return 1. Second time when C will exist, then it will return 2. If character not exist, then it will return 0. The meaning is this: get or default method within bracket ch comma 0. The meaning is what? Again, I am saying, if character exists, it will return current count. If not, then it will return 0. Then we will add 1 to the count. For example, suppose first character C exists, so it will return 1. This character C again exists second time, then it will return 2. If character not exists, then it will return 0. Okay, so in this way, so when this logic, this body or this for each loop or enhanced for loop will execute, so each character frequency we can get. Okay, so because all characters, because first string converted to character array, so each characters have come to ch. Then m dot put method, put is a built-in method, it will update the map, it will insert its character and along with the frequency. So this portion is representing. Okay, then I will print the result. Okay, so for print the result, so how to get? Because here what we are inserting character along with the frequency, so it is a pair in a collection. So from collection, if I will print the result, so I need to get the key and I need to get the value, because in a pair one is key and one is value. So this part I will write again. I will use a for loop. So map dot entry. Map is an interface. Entry is a sub interface. So which type of character? Character character comma integer. Okay. Let object name is entry colon aim dot. So there is a built-in method entry set. There is a built-in method entry set. Okay. So I will write an output statement system dot out dot println. Okay. So entry object name is entry dot. For getting key, there is a method getting key. So I will give a space. Then for getting value, entry dot, there is a method get value. th- okay, this. Okay, so for printing the result, what I wrote, so I created an entry object. Okay, so this is the object of entry. Entry is a sub interface of map. So it is another for each loop for printing result that I have taken. So entry set is a built-in method which is returning all key value pairs. Okay, so all key value pairs will come to this, then the body will execute. Okay, so this is enhanced for loop. Advantage is, so here no iteration. Okay, here instruction will not repeat. All key value pairs, the output of m dot entry set. Okay, output of output of m dot entry set will come to entry, then body will execute. So what is the output? All key value pairs. All key value pairs will come to this, then body will execute. So body is what? So two built-in method I have invoked. One is get key method and one is get value method. Get key method and get value method coming from entry interface. So that's why it is invoking by entry object. So get key method returning key and get value returning value. Okay, so in this way we can get what? All pairs. But here in a pair is what? Character value is the frequency of that character. Okay, so now this is my program and we will see. Now I will run. Control S I saved, so I will run. So you see the output is what? So the character orders. So each character has come, but without order. The character A frequency is 1, character R frequency is 1, character C frequency is 2. That means how many number of times the character C is present. D is 1 in this way. So we will check it. So here all characters along with their frequency we got, but without order. We will check instead of HashMap. If I will take linked HashMap, let us check. I will hit run. Okay. So now you see instead of HashMap, so I took linked HashMap. Linked HashMap is another built-in class. It is another implementation class of map interface, but it maintains the order. You see code, our string is code with Trilochan. The first character C two times, second character O two times, means frequency of O is 2. Third character D one time, the frequency of D is 1. That means the character D present one time. So in this way, we can find the frequency of each character. Very simple things. So I hope everybody got clarity. So overall, again, I am explaining. So I took a string value. Okay. So simply, I have taken a map object. Okay. And whatever the string is given, I converted into character array. So each character, so it will come to ch because we have to traverse each character. Then all characters come to this, then body will execute put method updating the map. So inserting character and this value, output of this. So what is the purpose of get or default method? If character exists, then it will return current count. If not, it will return 0. Then we will add 1 to the count. For example, if first time the character C is present, it will return 1. If second time C will exist, then it will return 2. Then print the results. Again, another for each loop I have taken. So m.entry set method outputs coming to entry object, then body will execute entry dot get key method and entry dot get value method. So get key method returning key, get value method returning value. So here key is character, value is the frequency of that character. Okay, so this is a nice interview question. I hope everybody got clarity. Thank you.